My video is dedicated to help you remove the adware called ProcesserFlow. This adware is from the adload family of computer infections. And this adware, once installed, may periodically display a lot of intrusive advertisements while you surf the internet. This adware, by the way, is attacking Mac computers. Safari browsers are being under the attack, and also Google Chrome and Firefox may be attacked as well, even though Safari is the main target of this adware. ProcesserFlow adware, once installed, may also redirect browser to many random and deceptive pages. So if you have found its presence on your Mac, right-click on this adware and move it to the trash. In case you find anything else that is suspicious, get rid of it too. Finally, I recommend you to research this system with Combo Cleaner, which can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start investigating your device with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.